Hi everyone and welcome back. My name is Nikki Windsor and I am the Jungle Goddess. For the past just over 6 months now, I've been bringing you a video every week talking about culinary wellness. Well, this video is really a fact-finding mission and a request for your feedback on what subjects you would like me to cover. Now, I've shared a lot of different culinary wellness wisdoms with you over the past 6 months, including nutrition and healthy eating, mindfulness, mindset and ways to reduce stress and anxiety, how to ferment. I've covered digestive health conditions, composting, recipes, medicinal herbs and more. So I thought it would help if I shared a little more about the knowledge that I have that I've picked up on my journey to culinary wellness and the subjects that I'm passionate to share. So let's start with the fact that I'm a massage therapist and I'm an energy worker. Back in 2012, I was at a bit of a crossroads and I was obviously ready for a major shift in my life because I was guided to a great massage and energy healing school where I enrolled on several courses. I started learning Thai massage, I moved into craniosacral therapy, and that was when I first got initiated to Reiki. Now, over the next few years, I deepened my practice with Reiki and I was initiated as an Asui Reiki master. I studied with a shaman and I was introduced to Kahuna Reiki, a little known Hawaiian form of Reiki that I absolutely love working with. I trained as a Lomi Lomi massage therapist, a form of massage that works amazingly well with Kahuna Reiki. I ventured into medicine wheel work and I built a 36-stone medicine wheel in my garden where I did treatments and held ceremonies. Now, over the years, I worked with a great herbal medicine school in Costa Rica and I participated in a number of medicinal plant conferences out there. I started growing my own herbs, making medicine, and I soon became well known among my friends for my natural remedies. Now, working with herbs naturally piqued my interest in aromatherapy and the use of oils. I ran my own small holding where I grew my own food, my own plant medicine, and I kept chickens. My house was always full of bubbling concoctions that always fascinated any visitors that I had. Now, I became interested in fermented foods several years ago because I'd heard that they were really beneficial for gut health. And at the time, I was really suffering badly with the symptoms of Crohn's disease, and I hoped that fermenting would help. I actually became very passionate about the subject and I founded a fermented food and drink company that I ran for 6 years. I also ran workshops to teach fermenting. So my interest in using food as medicine grew way beyond fermenting. And I followed a number of different diets and they were quite restrictive diets and they really helped me with controlling the symptoms of Crohn's disease. Now, one of the things that I would find was I could never buy anything like snacks and that out that I could eat because of this restrictive diet. So I developed a range of free-from products that I started selling alongside my fermented foods. And they were a godsend to the village where I lived because I wasn't the only one. There were a lot of people who were looking for free-from foods. So these included a lot of gluten-free, predominantly grain-free, because I didn't eat grains at the time. And they all were predominantly vegan and some vegetarian foods. Now, I ran a Tex Mex restaurant for a while. I also ventured into private catering. And I managed a number of retreats for groups of women visiting Costa Rica, giving them a true immersion experience. It was when I came back to the UK that I decided to get certified as a health and nutrition coach and to study culinary medicine. So I really do have an eclectic mix of knowledge and experience, much of it gathered in the unique and wonderful jungle of Costa Rica. So please, if there is a particular area of my repertoire that you would like me to share, please let me know. So that might be anything to do with massage therapy, energy work, making and the use of herbal medicine, the use of oils, fermentation, anything to do with diet and nutrition, wellness, mindset and mindfulness, or recipes, cooking, or anything to do with the experience of food. I would really appreciate your feedback, so please let me know in the comments. All right, thanks then and enjoy your week. Bye.